Hey everyone! Today I'll be making an avocado coconut cream deep conditioner with neem powder. Stay tuned! The star of this deep conditioner is avocado, or pear for all my Jamaican people. Avocado is extremely moisturizing and nourishing because it contains natural oils and fatty acids that are especially helpful for dry, dehydrated hair. It's also rich in vitamins that can nourish the scalp and help hair look healthy, shiny, and hydrated. The second main ingredient is coconut cream. Coconut cream is a thicker version of coconut milk because of its higher fat content and less water. Coconut milk is also good to use, but the final consistency will be a bit more runny. Coconut milk/cream is high in lauric acid, which is known for its ability to penetrate hair easily. It's also said to slow hair loss, restore dry hair and scalp, and get rid of dandruff. I'm adding the avocado and coconut cream to my blender, and then I'll blend until smooth. Now, avocado is one of my favorite food items to use in my deep conditioners because my hair always looks and feels great afterward. I also love using coconut cream as the liquid base in my DIY masks or deep conditioners because it makes my hair so soft and easy to detangle, which is a significant plus for me. Once the mixture is properly blended and I get this smooth, creamy consistency, I'm going to strain it through a strainer to get rid of any unwanted bits or fibers from the avocado that may remain. And here we are left with this nourishing and conditioning 2-ingredient deep conditioner. This could be used as is, but I'm going to add one more ingredient to up the benefits of this deep conditioner even more. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of neem powder. Neem is known for its antiviral, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties. It is commonly used in shampoos to treat dandruff and dry scalp. It is also reputed to increase hair growth and improve the quality of hair by moisturizing and repairing damaged cuticles. I'm going to mix this in properly, then later I'll transfer it to a jar for easy application when washing my hair. And here we have my avocado coconut cream deep conditioner with neem. There are a number of other ingredients that could be added to this deep conditioner for more benefits, including humectants like honey or vegetable glycerin, herbs like amla, fenugreek, and aloe vera, essential oils like lavender or peppermint, even foods such as ripe bananas. This deep conditioner can be applied to dry or damp hair, ensuring that both the scalp and hair strands are coated. Leave in hair under a plastic cap for a minimum of 30 minutes, then shampoo and continue with your usual hair routine. One caution I have is that I've heard of people who do not like using coconut-based products in their hair. If that may be you, I suggest doing a patch test before trying this on your whole head. And with that, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs like this one. Until next time, have courage and be kind. Thanks so much for watching.